Hello everyone, let's talk about Remme project. We use passwords every day, but are they well protected? There is no rocket science to crack a password. People tend to think that password is the most secure way of data protection. Far from it. A lot of users make mistakes when creating and using their passwords. The same password on various social networks, messengers and other services in the most frequent one. Remme completely eliminates the chance of human error. The major part of security violations accidents happen because of some human weakness. The password can be too simple, and users leave their browsers open on public computers, record their password on paper, or store them in a file of their computers. Our technology eliminates the human factor from the authentication process, thus making passwords outdated. Currently, the two-factor authentication method is used to increase the level of protection. It is to require any additional information besides your password. It can be a disassembled SMS password or a disposable password that is implemented through using of the OTP protocol, and a new password appears in a certain interval of time. Another way of authorization in the system is the use of the SSL and TLS certificates, which are widely used in banks, tax services, etc. There is also the key system. Public keys are used for decryption and private keys for encryption. Both of them are based on strong mathematical approaches. The project team of Remme works to secure user passwords as much as possible. The team plans to solve this problem by decentralizing the public key infrastructure on the basis of the blockchain technology. Remme customers will appreciate the benefits of the decentralized system. The main advantages of Remme: the absence of centralized database of certificates and keys that could be compromised. There are no API restrictions and technology blocking. Simple integration with the existing system. There are no additional payments. Fast and secure distribution process of public keys. Fast and secure certificate reworking process. Single point of trust for different systems. Simple single sign-on. Decentralized worldwide available authorization. There are no legal restrictions and issues of state cooperation. This is not all available advantages of Remme. Complete anonymity of actions is ensured with the use of the blockchain technology. Remme brings the blockchain technology to the PKI infrastructure, ensuring that the stored data remains unchanged. Remme is constantly developing. The opportunity of creating a decentralized PKI on the basis of Emircoin blockchain has already been tested. Emircoin blockchain, unfortunately, the speed of this process leaves much to be desired. It takes about 10–30 minutes for the system to get the certificate and become active. Another test was conducted on the UTXOS Bitcoin blockchain, but the result did not satisfy the team. Remme thinks that modern blockchain systems are far from being ideal and require their tokens in order to perform any operations. Many systems are either slow or overloaded. Remme solves this problem and creates its own decentralized systems. Perfect and convenient system is planned. It takes several conditions to implement this idea. First, the pricing policy must be pegged to the existing currency. Second, blocks must have high bandwidth to maintain fact certificate management. Third, the ability to create a private blockchain for integration into the organization. Remme has designed a system based on the blockchain technology that is, in turn, based on Hyper-J self-proof in order to support the requirements that are planned to be met by the creators. custom consensus algorithm is largely inspired by Ethereum Click and Dash Masternode network, since it is planned to peg to fiat currencies and necessary to bind prices to them. Prices will be updated every 10 minutes to ensure that they are always relevant to all currencies. Access to them will be available to all users. Thank you very much.